Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the December pre-board exam, right? So I'll be discussing each and every question with you people. I'll be discussing the answers so that in your mind you can recall, right? And keep a notebook in front of you. Clear? The very first instruction which I would like to give here is that many of you didn't read the instructions that were given in the first page of the paper. Many of you didn't bother to read the instructions, that what was the actual instructions and how we were to attempt the paper. As per the CBSE instruction, you people were given 13 short questions. 13 short questions. Out of 13, you were to answer any 10. But many of you attempted all 13. That was totally wrong. Clearly, it is written on the top. Clearly, it is written here. Section 1 has 13 questions. Candidate is to attempt 10 out of 13. Then in the beginning of the section also it is written, this section consists of 13 questions of very short answer type. 4 to 8 are fill in the blanks. Attempt any 10 from 1 to 13. But many of you ignore these instructions. In the January pre-board, please be very much particular with the pattern, with the instructions. Don't try to over attempt. Let us start with one word questions first. What is news group? Beta, news group means online community board or online bulletin board where news are posted and members of the news group, they respond to the post, right? Name two attributes of OL tag. Beta, two attributes of OL tag are type and start. Type and start. I'm opening a notepad window. Just tell me, is it visible? Is the notepad window visible? Is the notepad window visible? All right. Now, third question. What is the use of SRC attribute in image tag? Beta, the correct answer for this question was SRC attribute stands for source. It specifies the location or path of the image to be inserted in the web page. This is the appropriate and the correct formation of the answer. Specifies the location or the path of the image to be inserted in the web page. Am I clear with these three questions? Am I totally clear with the three questions? Himanshu, Amit Kalra, am I totally clear to all of you? All right. Next question. Dash is another name of UL list. Beta, it is bulleted list. It is bulleted list, right? Dash is another name of UL list. It is bulleted list. Just tell me, Kavya and Vanya, is notepad window and paper, both the windows are visible parallel? Beta, hurry up, please give the response fast. Gurjot, Arshdeep, are both the windows parallel visible? Gurjot, Devanshi, Kamakshi, both the windows are visible. Which only word window is visible? Notepad is not visible. All right, all right. Fourth question, I'm repeating again. Dash is another name of UL list. It is bulleted list. Right? Kamakshi, is the answer visible? Himanshu, Amit Kalra, Kamakshi, answers are visible now? All right. Now next question. Dash attribute of table tag specifies the setting of external border of the table. Beta, the answer to this question was frame. Answer to this fill in the blank was frame. Is it clear to you both offline? Sixth blank. Dash and dash are the common attributes of table and image tag. Beta, there are 4 answers to this. You can write any 2: border, align, height, width. These are the 4 attributes which are common in table as well as image tag. What you people have written, many of you have written this answer also. Beta, border color is only available in table tag. It is not available in image tag. So this is wrong. Am I clear? Up till here, am I clear totally? Garav Sarpal, Japan Jot, Naman, am I clear? Deepak, Harleen, Gargi, am I clear? Aryan, Harnoor, Ashmit, am I clear? Japesh, Gurkirat, Mansi, are all the answers clear up till here? All right. Now moving to the next fill in the blank. This fill in the blank is mostly written wrong. Why wrong? I tell you here. Beta, the blank was the CSS property to display the text in the bold form. Your answer is this. Many of you have written this answer. Beta, it is not a correct answer. The correct answer is this. I have asked you the property. बेटा आप आगे आ जाइए, आ रहे हैं, कार्डबोर्ड पीछे कर दो, आप आगे बैठ जाओ ताकि आपको विजिबल हो जाए. बेटा, I have asked you the property. Property means the name as well as the value. This is partial answer. This is partial answer. This is complete and appropriate answer which I expect from you people. Am I clear now? Am I clear to all of you? Arshdeep, Manjot, Garav, Maria. All right. SSH stands for secure shell. Then, 9th question. Raghav is a student of 10th class who is designing a web page and wants to set the color of the active link as purple. Which tag and which attribute should he use? Beta, such questions are known as conceptual questions. How to attempt conceptual questions in the board examination? Raghav should use body tag and a link attribute. This is the appropriate formation of the answer. Beta, don't just run up with the paper that we are to finish. Please go with the proper formation of the answers. In January pre-board, please make these things very, very clear in your mind. Am I clear? Now, 10th question. What is the use of HR tag in HTML? Beta, HR tag is used to divide the web page into different sections by drawing a horizontal line across the width of the web page. This is the complete proper definition of HR tag. And what is your answer? Now I repeat your answer, what you have written. HR is used to draw horizontal line. Where the line is drawn, this is incomplete answer. HR tag draws the line. This is not an appropriate answer. Next, 11th. Now this questions, read carefully. I have asked you name 2 types of web browser. I am not asking examples of web browser. Type means graphical and text only browser. Graphical and text only browser. Am I clear? Up till all these 11 questions, am I totally clear to everybody? Garv, Manjot, Diljit, am I clear? All right. Now, 12th question. 12th question says, what is the use of title tag? Title tag is used to specify the title of the web page, which is displayed in the title bar of the browser window. This is the appropriate answer. I am writing all the answers in proper formation so that these mistakes are not repeated in the January pre-board. Just writing answer is not sufficient. 10th class formation is also important. Any change done by you can change the whole meaning of the answer. So please make very, very sure that formation of the definition is proper in one word questions. Now I repeat your answer, what you have written. It is used to give name to the web page. What is this name to the web page? Now next question, differentiate between TR and TD tag. Beta, many times I have told you, full form point is no point. Try to cover important points. TR tag is used to create rows in the table. TD tag is used to create data cells in the table. Right? Then you can make one more point. TR tag has does not contain row span and call span attributes. TD tag contains row span and call span attributes. Am I clear? This is how proper answers are to be written. All the 13 one-word questions are totally clear to each and every one of you. Bhavya, Vriti, Aryan, Harnoor, Karanjot, am I clear? All right. Now again, I'm telling you, offline students and online students, in January pre-board, please make very sure you are to attempt only 10 questions. You are not to attempt all 13 questions, any 10. And whichever 10 you are attempting, write the number of that question only. Suppose you are attempting question number 1, 2, 4 and 5. You are not attempting the third question. Then you will write number 1, 2, 4 and 5. You will not write answer number 3 if you are not attempting question number 3. Clear? Now let us proceed to the case study. Here also you people didn't read the instructions. Beta, instructions were totally ignored here. In this case study, what was expected? You people were to attempt any 5 MCQs out of 7. But intelligent 10th class, you attempted all 7 MCQs. See here, attempt any 5 questions out of 7 questions. Again, I am telling 10th class, don't ignore the instructions. Now, this is the email case study, and these are the MCQs which are given. You are to attempt any 5, but I'll be discussing answers of all the MCQs. Identify the software that helps you in sending and receiving an email. Very much clear answer, Gmail. Second question. Which among the following is an element of email that is a short description of the message? A option, subject. A option, subject. Am I clear? Third, which of the following is always a part of email address? Out of these symbols, which is the symbol which is all time available in email? Yes, separator. C part, separator, that is @ Fourth MCQ. Am I clear up till all these 3 MCQs? Urvi, Vriti, am I clear? Aryan, Harnoor, Ashmit, Japish, Gurkirat, am I clear with all the 3 MCQs? Diljit, Manmeet, Deepak, Garav Sarpal, Amit Kalra, answers are visible. Notepad answers are visible. All right, all right. Next MCQ. An email attachment is referred to as body of an email, address of the sender, a document that is sent with an email, any document that can be attached and sent with an email. Beta, appropriate answer is D. Any document that can be attached and sent with an email. Clear? In few papers, what I noticed, I tell you the mistake. Option is correct. Option is correct. But while writing the option, this line was done. What is this? This is totally wrong. This is totally wrong. Please write the full option and don't write these shortcut forms. Now, fifth MCQ. Which of the following is not an email service provider? Hotmail is a service provider of email. Gmail is also a service provider. Bing, beta, Bing is a search engine. So correct answer is C, Bing. Then sixth MCQ. Junk mail is also known as crop, spoof, sniffer script, spam. The correct answer is spam. Seventh MCQ. The protocol linked with an email. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. POP3, Post Office Protocol. IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. बेटा IMAP की full form है Internet Message Access Protocol. This protocol is also linked with email. These are the three protocols which are all together linked with email. So the answer to this MCQ is all above. Now, out of these 7 MCQs, you were to attempt any 5. Any 5. Right? Don't attempt all these 7 MCQs. Now, moving to the next case study. Case study number 2. That is fraud. Fraud committed using internet is called online fraud. It may occur in many forms. Some types of fraud can be countered by setting up official bodies, ensuring the validity of e-commerce companies. But some frauds are very frightening. Examples are credit card frauds, identity theft. So, rest of the paragraph you can read. And who is this person entering so late in the class? In order to prevent the misuse of information, Caesar-cipher technique can be adopted. As per this technique, each letter of the word is replaced by a letter, some fixed number of positions, right? So, example has been given to you. Let us start the MCQs. First MCQ, privacy means to protect personal information given online, to keep documents locked, to disclose all facts and figures, to share information only with some persons. The appropriate answer is A. To protect personal information given online. Second MCQ. Decryption means, बेटा encryption का मतलब होता है कि आपने जो अपना मैसेज है उसको किसी कोड में चेंज कर दिया. Why you have changed into code? So that if any hacker tries to interfere, he or she may not be able to crack your data. But when the data safely reach the destination, the coded message is again converted to the original message. That is called decryption. The reverse of encryption is decryption. So let us read the options. To convert the original message into coded form, this is encryption. To convert the coded encrypted message into original one. So the correct option is B. To convert the coded encrypted message into original one. Which of the following is the dangerous form of the fraud? There are two categories of fraud, dangerous and non-dangerous. I have asked you the dangerous type of the fraud. Non-delivery of goods, not so dangerous. Non-existent companies, not so dangerous. Stealing information, this is dangerous. आपकी सारी प्राइवेट इंफॉर्मेशन, आपकी पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन अगर हैक हो गई तो दैट विल बी मोर प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू पीपल. सो सी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन ओवर हियर. नेक्स्ट, buying of goods and services on internet is called e-banking, e-reservation, e-commerce, e-groups. E-commerce. Fifth MCQ. Which measures can be adopted to stop the frauds? Monitoring official bodies that ensures the sanctity of e-commerce companies. Strong security mechanism by e-commerce and payment gateway to prevent stealing. Official guidelines and safeguard on the selling of user data to a third party. All above. All the above. Am I totally clear with all the 5 MCQs? Raise your thumb immediately. All right. Now 6th MCQ. Beta, 6th MCQ is a numerical type, mental ability question. Let us discuss this. A sender wants to send a message having the text as computer. बेटा जो text है वो computer है. Using 5 as a key. जो हर अल्फाबेट के बाद जो 5वां कैरेक्टर आता है वो कोड होना चाहिए. So out of these options, which is the suitable one? Letter C. Start from letter C. D, E, F, G, H. तो इसका पहला कोड क्या बना? H. नेक्स्ट इज O. O के बाद 5वां कैरेक्टर कौन सा आता है? P, Q, R, S, T. नाउ पिकअप M. M के बाद 5 काउंट करो. N, O, P, Q, R. P, Q, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Then U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So you can very well imagine ये सिमेट्री जो आपकी बन रही है, ये सिमेट्री इसके साथ कोरिलेट हो रही है. You can clearly see here. और यहां पर देखो B ऑप्शन. बी ऑप्शन का पहला कैरेक्टर, पहला तो ठीक है लेकिन सेकंड कैरेक्टर गलत हो गया, तो सेकंड ऑप्शन तो चली गई आपकी. सी ऑप्शन देखिए, जी, फर्स्ट लेटर इज रॉन्ग, तो ये तो वैसे ही काउंट नहीं होगा. बी ऑप्शन आई, आई फर्स्ट लेटर ही गलत हो गया, सो एप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन इज ए. योर एप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन इज ए. Am I clear with this mental ability question? Japesh, Gurkirat, Mansi, am I totally clear with the mental ability question? I always announce the name so that I am very much sure child is attending the class. All right. Now see here again, I again repeat it. Whatever data has been given to you, this is the original data. और उसके साथ आपको एक की दी जाएगी. की के साथ एक फिगर दिया होगा, उस फिगर से आपने लेटर्स काउंट करने शुरू करने हैं. और एक सिमेट्री बनानी है। अब सबसे पहले शुरू सी से करो। सी लेटर से अगले 5 पोजीशन पे कौन सा आता है? डी, ई, एफ, जी, एच। अपनी फिंगर पे 5 काउंट करो। डी, ई, एफ, जी, एच। तो पहला एच हो गया, उसके बाद ओ। ओ के बाद 5th प्लेस पे क्या आता है? पी, क्यू, आर, एस, टी। तो टी आ गया। ऐसे ही एम को काउंट करो। एम के बाद 5th प्लेस पे क्या आता है? एन, ओ, पी, क्यू, आर। अपनी फिंगर्स पे 5 काउंट लेके चलो और जो भी लेटर दिया है वहां से 5 पोजीशन काउंट करो। राइट नाउ मूविंग टू द 7th MCQ। वो भी ऐसा ही है, मेंटल एबिलिटी वाला, पर यहां पे जो की है वो 6 है। द टेक्स्ट इज एपिक। और यहां पे जो की दी हुई है वो दी हुई है 6। तो ई के बाद 6th प्लेस पे क्या आता है? एफ, जी, एच, आई, जे, के। पी, नेक्स्ट इज पी, क्यू, आर, एस, टी, यू। क्यू, आर, एस, टी, यू, वी। So next is V. Next is I. J, K, L, M, N, O. C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So as per my symmetry, I have D option correct. I have D option, the most suitable option. Am I clear with both the case studies? Bhavya, Vriti, who is this third child? Manmeet, am I clear with both the case studies? Karanjot, Aryan, Harnoor Singh, Prabdeep, Mannat, Raghav, am I clear with both the case studies? Prabdeep, all right. Now let us proceed to part B. Beta, in part B, there are internal choices. You were having internal choices. This I'll be discussing in the next class. But I am telling you here the first question, define DNS. Beta, DNS stands for Domain Name System. It is the character-based system by which servers are identified on network. Right? Am I clear?